Hi, it's Noe with WTI, and if you're like me and have a lot of plants, then you're going to love this Umisun garden repotting mat. I love that you can use this indoors or outdoors, and I love how easy it is to assemble. I love that this comes in different sizes, so depending on how big your plants are, you'll be able to get what fits for you. I have a lot of indoor smaller plants, so I purchased one of the smaller sizes. I can put it on my kitchen counter or my table. I can take it outside. I also love that this will help reduce the mess in your home. Have you ever attempted to repot a plant, but then the soil gets everywhere? Well, with this mat, it reduces that mess. You can easily pick up this mat, take it to the garbage can or outside, wherever you wish to dispose of the soil, and it just makes cleanup so much easier. So if you're looking for something that's convenient, easy to assemble, and can be used for a variety of sizes of your plants, then I would recommend this garden repotting mat. And that's my point of view.